Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social science class. Do you all remember what we had discussed in our last class? Yes, geography lesson 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. We had completed the topic latitudes. So today we will discuss about longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary semicircles which run from North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are also called meridians of longitudes. The distance between two meridians are measured in degrees of longitude. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. There are 360 degree longitudes all around the earth. 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Now let us see how can we calculate this. You all know that the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation or one circle. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 24 hour is equal to 60 into 24, that means 1440 minutes. That means the earth takes 1440 minutes to complete one circle or one rotation. You know that there are 360 degree longitudes all around the earth. So 360 degree is equal to 1440 minutes. We have to calculate 1 degree. So 1 degree is equal to 1440 minutes divided by 360 degree. And the answer is 4 minutes. So 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. So the earth takes 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. Let's begin check how many degrees of longitude does the earth's rotation cover in 1 hour period. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15 degree. So the earth takes 1 hour to cover 15 degrees of longitude. So the earth takes 24 hours or 1440 minutes to cover 360 degree, and the earth takes 1 hour to cover 15 degree and 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. The distance between two longitudes is maximum on equator, then decreases steadily polewards until it becomes 0 at poles where all the meridians meet. So the distance between two longitudes is maximum on equator, and as they move away from the equator towards the poles, it keeps decreasing. Unlike parallels of latitudes, all meridians are of equal length. Thus, it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich near London, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is known as prime meridian, and its value is 0 degree. Longitudes are 360 in numbers. 180 degree are there in the east side and 180 degree longitudes are there in the west side. So the prime meridian 0 degree and 180 degree meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. It is very interesting to note that 180 degree east and 180 degree west are on the same line. Next we will talk about grid. Grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitude on the globe. Or the lines of latitude and the lines of longitude cut each other at right angles and form a network on the globe is called a grid. You can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know its latitude and longitude. For example, Dhubri in Assam is situated at 26 degree north latitude and 90 degree east longitude. Vertical lines represent east longitudes and horizontal lines as north latitudes. Now let's see how we locate Dhubri with the help of a grid. The green lines or the vertical lines, that is the lines of longitudes, and the red lines or horizontal lines are the lines of latitude. This is 90 degree east longitude, and this 90 degree east longitude and 26 degree north latitude intersect at this point, and this point is Dhubri. Let's we can check about the topic longitude and time. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, and which is shortest at the noon and the longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point, all places along this meridian will have midday or noon. Look at this map, children. As you can see, 0 degree longitude, that is at Greenwich. When you go to left of the places, the time is less. That means before or behind of the Greenwich, the time is less. It means the left of the Greenwich is west side and the time is subtracting. You can see it is mentioned in minus sign. Then when we go to the east direction, the time is mentioned in positive or plus sign. So going to east of Greenwich, time is added, and going to west of Greenwich, time is subtracted. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those places west of Greenwich will be behind of Greenwich time. Now you all know that 360 degree is equal to 24 hours and 50 degree is equal 1 hour and 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Now let's do one question. When time is 12 noon at Greenwich, what time will be at 15 degree east longitude of Greenwich? And the solution is 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 15 degree into 4 is equal to 60 minutes or 1 hour. So we have to calculate 15 degree east longitude. So the time will be ahead of Greenwich time. So we have to add the time. 12 noon plus 1 hour is equal to 1 p.m. So the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 1 p.m. if it is 12 noon at Greenwich. But at 15 degree west longitude of Greenwich, the time will be behind of Greenwich. So the time by 1 hour behind, that is time will be 12 noon minus 1 hour is equal 11 a.m. So the places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and places west of Greenwich will be behind of Greenwich time. Now we can check why do we have standard time. The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. In India, for instance, there will be difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local time of Dwaraka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. For example, if it is 12 noon at Dwaraka, then at the same time in Assam, it would be 1:45 p.m. It is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. Let us find the differences between India and London. India, located east of Greenwich at 82.5 degree east, is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. So, it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent and so they have adopted more than one time zone. For example, in Russia, there are as many as 11 standard times. Time zones on the earth. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone thus covers 15 degree of longitude. So every 15 degree of longitude represents 1 hour. So we completed the chapter. Everybody should read the textbook and complete your notes. We will see next time. Thank you, children.